Hi, kids. How are you? Um, I hope that you're doing well and enjoying time with your family. Today, we're going to read a story called Rainforest Homes. It is by Lydia Carlin. So, here's the front, and then here's the back. This blue frog lives in the rainforest. What other animals live there? Reading this book is going to help us find out. So, this book has 3 chapters, and then at the end, there's some questions. So, chapter 1 In the Rainforest. Welcome to the rainforest. Rainforests are warm and humid. Rain falls almost every day. Scarlet macaws live in the trees. Jaguars live on the ground. All the rain causes lots of plants to grow. The plants make rainforests a great home for animals. Blue, yellow, red, green. The rainforest is filled with creatures of every color. So you can see the morpho butterfly in their bright blue color, and then the yellow eyelash viper. Sadly, people are cutting down many of the trees in the world's rainforests. Flutter, slither, hop, creep. More animals live here than any other place on Earth. You can see the strawberry poison dart frog up here, and then below it is the green shield bug. Animals like these will disappear if the world's rainforests disappear. Chapter 2, Homes in the Trees. Trees in the rainforest are alive with life. Sloths live in trees. They snooze about 15 hours a day. The claws of a sloth are shaped like coat hangers. You can see in this photo of the close-up. Toucans live in the trees too. They use their bright beaks to pick fruit. Did you know they can croak like frogs? Orangutans eat fruit, leaves, seeds, and insects. Orangutans live in trees. They use their long, strong arms to swing from branch to branch. Chameleons live in trees. These funny-looking lizards can change colors. A green chameleon is happy. A gray chameleon is cold. So you can see the 2 differences in the photos. Chapter 3, Homes on the Ground. The ground of the rainforest is crawling with creatures. Leafcutter ants live on the ground. They cart leaves back to their nests all day long. Tapirs live on the ground. These shy mammals eat grass, leaves, and fruit. Munch, munch, munch. Tapirs love to swim. Anacondas are the world's biggest snakes. Some of them are as long as a school bus. Anacondas live on the ground. During the day, they keep cool in swamps. At night, they slither out to hunt for food. The rhinoceros beetle is named after the rhinoceros. Do you think they look alike? Rhinoceros beetles live on the ground. They are just one of the amazing animals that call the rainforest home sweet home. Now you can see some of the vocabulary words that were in the book. Anaconda, a large snake that lives in the rainforest of South America. Carts, to carry. Chameleon, a type of lizard that can change color. Humid means damp and moist. Swamp is an area of wet, spongy grounds. Tapir is a large animal with hooves and a long snout. Can you tell about one animal that lives in the trees of the rainforest? Can you tell about one animal that lives on the ground of the rainforest? Can you think of 3 great words to describe a rainforest? I hope that you guys enjoyed this book, and I look forward to seeing you soon.